an experienced specialist producing mobility and providing the framework for innovation. This passion revived every day the PCS Group. From Europe to Asia, we are here to meet your needs throughout the world without hesitation. Whether in forging, die casting, machining, or assembly, our decades of experience guarantee the highest manufacturing standards. As a specialist in medium and large series production, we work with you from the choice of materials to final product delivery, of engine, transmission, turbo, chassis and steering, and electric vehicle parts. We meet customers' expectations by committing complete concentration, providing tailor-made solutions. As each project is different, every solution is unique. We create the best manufacturing process by customizing the manufacturing design, fully optimizing the production process. Designing the complete production process allows us to optimize and debug the system, leading to an economical and successful project launch. We work closely with our customers to develop the best solution through joint project development. Working in project teams, we support from initial product development to series production. By doing every production process in-house, ensures our clients have full end-to-end control. With an international presence, we can select the right production location. Our integrated network system allows us to respond swiftly and effectively, tracking all stages of production. Our excellent track record is based on our benchmark, Total Process Management. During every production process, we adhere to the highest manufacturing standards. We are certified by international standards and have won countless supplier awards. We are innovation-orientated and constantly studying future-looking investments, growing together with our customers. For us, trustworthiness is a fundamental concept, ensuring long-term reliability of our products. For over 30 years, we have delivered excellence to our customers, committed to support your needs worldwide with first-class service. Your global partner, PCS Group, world-class manufacturing.